lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. So if you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the November 2019 Boxycharm. Now, this is my PR box. A few days ago, I did unbox my Boxycharm that I was very disappointed. So let's see if the theory works. Does PR boxes get better boxes? If you want to find out, then just stay tuned. Alright, so I just picked this up from my post office box. I will leave my Boxycharm video down below that I just unboxed the other day. And it was my understanding that you were supposed to get brushes. Every base box was supposed to get 2 brushes. And if you got the premium box, you were supposed to get a full set of these brushes. I did not order the premium box, so I was supposed to get these 2 brushes. Anywho, I didn't get them. I was quite upset because I remember watching Joe's video stating that. And then, like always, right when the boxes are ready to go out, they have variations. So, a lot of people have always told me that people that get this in PR get the better boxes. So, I'm going to unbox this and see, did I get these brushes in here? So, let me cut the tape because I am very curious, and we shall see. All right, if you didn't see the other unboxing, it is red now. It is red, white, and black, which I love these colors together. And then you got the Pretty Vulgar lightweight concealer, or you got the Becca, I think it was the foundation. And you are to customize it, so you have to see which one matches you, so that way in a future box they know what shade, which I think is great. I can't find it on when I log in where you would say which one the complexion is. So if you know, let me know how to go about that. And let me turn this light down. I always forget to turn this light down. Okay, hopefully that's good. All right, so here's the card. The theme for this month is Stellar, and I got variation 8s. In my box, I had 22. So let's see. So then right here tells you everything that you're going to be getting and tells you a little bit about it. And right on top, look what we have here. We have those brushes right here. So let me read up a little bit about it and then I will show you. So where you be? Okay, so this is from Boxycharm. This is actually their first brushes. So that's why I wanted it. This is a 2-piece brush set. This is valued for $35. And it just says, let's see, create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. This large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush is also, okay, well, we know. Let me just keep going. So it comes in the little Boxycharm little bag here. All right. So right here is supposed to be their powder brush, right? Is that what it said? Does it say on here? Just says Boxycharm. This is a powder brush. So that's what it looks like. And let's see. And they feel, they're like soft and dense, just how I like it. Not too hard, but not too soft. And I'm definitely excited to use that. I mean, they really feel good. So I'm excited. All right, so let's see how this, I don't use foundation brushes. I actually use a sponge. But I don't know, I'll try it. I would probably use this more for like contour or bronzer or something like that, or something. But they really feel really good. So let me know what you guys think of these brushes if you got them. All right, so that's $35. This is $25 a month. It was $21. They just increased it to $25. So right there pays for the box. Okay, the next thing right here are 2 sheet masks. These are from Tula Skincare, and these are pretty good masks. These are Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Hydrogel Masks. All right, so these are $22, so they're saying they're $11 a piece. And it's a mask. It's a set of 2. I know some variations are like eye masks, but I'm glad to get these face masks. So, especially their hydrogel. I'm curious to see if they're like the Neutrogena Hydrogel. But, so I'm excited to get them. I love getting skincare. The next thing is this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I think this was $50. I remember reading it from my other unboxing. Let's see. Yeah, it's $50. I'm going to put this in today's giveaway. So we're going to have a giveaway today since some of these products I already got. And yeah, this is $50 and this is for your under eye, which you're never too young to start with skincare. So that's good. The next thing is a dose of colors. And my other one, I got a red one. This is in the shade Nude Mood. And this would be $18. And I do like their formula. I really like Dose of Colors formula. Let's see what this color looks like. Hopefully it's not too light. Yeah. I'm going to put this in a giveaway because this is definitely too light. I have so many of these colors. Actually, that's what I have on my lips today. I have like a darker lipstick, and then I went in with like almost this color to kind of brighten it up. So we'll put this in a giveaway as well. So one of you guys get to try the formula if you haven't, or if you like this shade. And last but not least, now this is weird because if you look at my other unboxing, this was wrapped in plastic and everything. And it was underneath this. This was just kind of like in there with nothing. Since I already got this, this will go in a giveaway as well. I will show you what it looks like, just in case you don't know or didn't watch the video. And this was $35. So let's put it there. So this is going to be, you know, a quick video. So we have this. This will be in a giveaway. And you have the eye treatment. That will be in a giveaway. We have the Dose of Colors. That will be in a giveaway. Since I'm not looking at the calendar, I will leave right here when this giveaway will end. We got the 2 brushes, which I'm really excited for, and 2 sheet masks. So, do I think I got my $25 worth? Absolutely. Even though I'm giving away 3 things, right here is definitely worth my $25. And I really like this month's box. It was just in my other video, like I said, I will leave down below. I was kind of disappointed because I thought everybody in their base box that didn't get the premium box were supposed to get these brushes. So I was a little salty about that. Because this isn't the first time that I caught Joe in a little lies. So let me know what you think. What variation did you get? Are we box twins? Are we not? Did you get the brushes? Let me know if you've seen the video that Joe said. And that's everything. Make sure that you rate the video. So either like the video or dislike it. I prefer that you like it because I know who you are and don't make me come after you. But if you don't like it, or you don't like Boxycharm, or you don't like unboxings, then dislike the video, and that way I know whether I should continue doing these boxes or not. Make sure that you comment. Let me know how your day is. Let me know what you think of this. But let me know what variation you got. I'm curious to see how many variations there are. Make sure that you subscribe, because if you don't know, I have a giveaway. I have this giveaway, and I have the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I have both palettes in for a giveaway. So make sure that you're subscribed. Check out that video so you can enter. And turn that post notification bell on. Make sure you hit it twice so it's on all. That way you could be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways, because I still have a few more up my sleeve for this month. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.